I had noticed over the years that the crown on my front tooth was really degrading in quality, and I was getting more and more embarrassed to smile in pictures because it was becoming really evident that it was losing its shape and texture. I had gone to other dentists, and they were unwilling to save my healthy front tooth. They wanted to replace both of them, and I wasn't willing to do that. When I came to Dr. Wilderman, he really listened to my concerns, and he said with his expertise and technology, he would be able to replace my front crown and save my healthy tooth, which I was really happy to hear. The end result was amazing. His staff was really friendly. They're always kind to me. They always listened to my concerns and took the time to explain things to me. And in the end, I was really happy with my front crown that I have now. It really matches in quality and color with my other teeth, and I'm always happy to smile in pictures now. I will always recommend Dr. Wilderman to my friends and family. The level of service, the quality of his work was amazing. I was really happy with it, and I'll be more than happy to always recommend him.